Hi everyone. Welcome back. So, guys, as part of the previous session, we have seen what exactly that needs to be downloaded and other details, right? So, here, what I'm gonna do right now is additionally, I'm gonna create a one configuration file to my code base. See, as of now, guys, what we are doing is we're creating a simple folder, right? For that particular folder, I'm just adding certain configurations. With this particular configurations, what it will helps is it helps us in running our test scripts in the upcoming sessions. So what I'm doing right now here is, so here as part of this particular slide, create tsconfig.json file in the project root folder. So here let me maximize my screen. So this is what my project root folder is. As part of this particular root folder, I'm just defining one file which is a tsconfig.json. See here tsconfig.json, and directly copy paste this content from here into this particular file, guys. Okay, anyways, we will be studying more about this particular file in the upcoming sessions, but the ultimate objective of this particular one is, if you see, we have created a simple folder, right? To that particular folder we are adding this particular configuration so that it helps us in executing our test scripts in the upcoming sessions. Okay, that's fine. Moving further, we will see how exactly we will be dealing with the execution parts and creating of data types and other chunks. Okay, thank you. Bye.